That is sick. This man camps. He is the campest man. We know. Meanwhile, these guys are going to be setting up for hours. We just got a pop-up tent.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
Oh, I don't get it. They're so bad at tents. It's actually embarrassing to watch.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Sorry. They're doing a good job.
I'm not gonna. It could have gone better. I think. Like I love Spencer. Yeah, you know he's my absolute boy, but he can be just brain dead sometimes, bro. Like he just stare at it and he just doesn't understand. I'm just like, come on, man.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at the tent, we've done it well. Some of the boys have got kind of annoyed at me. I don't know why, to be honest. So I said I checked the poles. They were different lengths. I said they were the same. That caused a bit of a hiccup. But other than that, I've been good. So I don't really know why.
So do you think you're in for a long weekend?
Nah, that was the hard bit. Now we're just chilling.
Yeah. So with food supplies, but mainly beers, stocked up, it seemed like we were finally setting the right pace.
It's gonna be a long weekend, I think. We need to accept that. With Scott here, it's gonna be tough, but we can get through it, you know. Like with Scott here, it's gonna be tough. But with Scott here, it's gonna be tough. With Scott here, it's gonna be tough. Just hold the top off.
Have you left the stove on? No, it's off. Please don't drop the pasta.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
No! No! It's alright, we've got another packet of pasta. But we got no hot dogs.
Like 5 pieces of hot dogs. All the hot dogs fell out. Look, let's salvage it.
Yeah.
Salvage it.
Get as much as you can without getting grass in there. No.
Fuck, man. I thought it was gonna be smooth sailing here on out, and all the pasta's gone, bro. I'm laughing, but I'm pissed. I'm so mad.
So it says Spencer's probably going to go drain the pasta. I was like, God, this isn't going to work, is it? It's Scott and Spencer, and they both just dropped the pasta and the sausages on the floor. We've got like half the thing. And Scott's really upset.
Are you happy with the food? This guy's not happy with the food.
Nah, that was the hard bit. Now we're just chilling.
Scott's he's still EP.
He is. Crying last night.
Yeah.
Be a reborn.
He's just got out of bed. Look at this dude!
Crying your
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
How's your breakfast, Zach? I'd say that was good. I've got an important question for you. How would you rate each of the campers out of 10 right now based on usefulness and what they provide for the campsite?
Okay, I think 100% I'm at the top.
Yeah, I think
I'd rate me at a 9.
I think we agree on that.
I'll give Ethan a 5.
Okay.
Scott's pretty useful. He drove us here.
He did drive us here.
I'd say Scott's at an 8.
An 8? Damn, okay.
Spencer, I'm not sure why he came. If I'm honest.
Okay, Zach, so how do you feel breakfast went this morning?
I think it went really well because I cooked it.
Yeah?
I think when I'm in charge of the cooking, things go well. Things end up in plates and bowls.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
We don't just chuck it all on the floor.
Yeah. I mean, not like this guy. Look at him. Just sat there in his chair, tapping his feet.
It baffles me his lack of dexterity.
Yeah.
His lack of being able to actually utilise his hands is wild to me.
Are you excited for the day ahead?
Oh, can't wait. I'm going to go on a big hike. Gonna have loads of fun. It's gonna be sick.
Please. Could someone just tap my right leg?
We're setting off
Let's do this.
on a hike. Hiking. Don't know where
Hikes.
we're going.
Before we got murdered in the woods.
How have things been? Well, love, now that you mention it. My folks still talk, but they speak in these two-word sentences.
How you feeling, bro?
I'm chilling, man. It's just being out in this nature is just so beautiful, bro. I feel peaceful.
Feel at peace with the world. Yeah, he is not letting us pass, bro. Look at him. He's standing his ground.
He's standing on me.
You gonna let us through, man?
I think they'll be pretty docile. I don't know.
Based on I want them to be, so... if we get trampled by horses now, it's on you, bro.
Bro, I'm literally the elder druid on stuff.
It's not about spinning.
Oh, shit.
Oh, what, Harry? Oh! No! He's just gone back up. Good fight, boys.
This is so sick.
So interview time.
I bet.
How you doing?
Man, I'm chilling, bro. This forest is so beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm vibing.
Where are you?
Yeah, I'm good. It's fun. We had some sword fights. It's been chill.
Has so many baser urges.
Yeah, you got this, bro. Come on, bro. You got...
There we go.
Oh,
There
bro,
we
super
go.
long.
Right, so quick secret double interview while Spencer's taking a piss.
Yeah.
What are we saying?
He is more useless than his bottle. Why are we going and fetching his bottle?
So yeah, can you explain what's happened with the bottle?
So the bottle was lost.
So
At
he
some
left
point.
it somewhere. And like I offered, I was like, "You want me to put it? I'll put it in my bag." He was like, "No, I'll carry it."
Yeah. And then
But
he's
now he's
left
lost
it.
it.
He's left it at a
So
fence somewhere.
we're retracing our steps.
Yeah.
So we're having to do the entire route backwards because
Yeah.
he's lost his bottle.
Well, it's not.
And it's
not
like
the end of the
it's
world,
like
but it's kind of- it's
everything that
kind of
bad
annoying.
happens, it's on his shoulders.
That feels quite harsh, but
Okay, stop.
I'm happy. Me and this boy have been through a lot of good times and hardships, and it's been there for me.
And who found it?
Zach found it. We turned, and it was just there.
He was just there, and I was like, bottle. And everyone was like, no way, no way. And I found it.
Holy, yeah.
That might, bro.
Stop.
Scott, you should play bass.
How do you feel about how today went?
Good, man. That hike was so fun.
Yeah,
We did so
good,
much
good,
cool
good,
shit.
good hike.
It was so cool.
And what's the plan for tonight?
Eat some good food at a pub, have some beers, rest my legs, just chill.
Nice, man.
It's
So Zach, how are you feeling about?
I'm high spirits, man. Had a great hike. We
Yeah.
found the bottle.
Yeah, we found a ball. You just had a shower. I bet you feel
I feel fresh as fuck, man.
die for a shower.
Always feels good after a shower home.
I forgot to wear my sliders,
Oh,
though, so I just
is so
barefoot
good.
it, 'cause-
Oh, that's rogue. Ballsy move from you. Cheers. Yeah.
Tides of life.
Yeah. The spokes on the wheel of life have been spinning.
They have.
And only recently have we found the brakes. And I feel like we've really taken a moment and moved. And grown as people.
We've stopped to smell the roses. If you don't, life moves fast. If you don't look, stop and look around once in a while, you just might miss it.
I'll be a horse.
Nay. I'm a horse.
Can you give me a whinny? Crazy.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
So final interview, gang. How was it?
Yo, bro, awesome fucking time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're doing it again.
100%.
Oh, the movie's getting a sequel.
Yo.
Oh, this is gonna be like the post-credit scene. Yeah.
BBL Drizzy. You feel that, Dave?
That hit my balls. My bad.
Yo, imagine if Spencer was dead.